Replace all Printhead cleaning roll kit components when the roll runs out of material. Before replacement, make sure the printer is idle. Unload all substrate and close all covers and windows. The Printhead cleaning roll kit contains a new cleaning roll, Printhead cleaning blade, aerosol filters, a left spittoon foam, and a drop detector spittoon foam. Distilled water is required, but not provided with the kit. From the IPS or internal print server, touch the applications bar and then touch other supplies. Touch replace. Put on gloves for replacing all Printhead cleaning roll kit components. Follow these steps to replace the left spittoon foam. Open the top cover and then pull the curing module out of the printer. From the left side of the printer, remove the left spittoon foam. Bend the foam and slide it into the left spittoon slot, making sure it lays flat. From the IPS, touch Next to move to the next task. Follow these steps to replace the left Printhead cleaning blade. Next to the left spittoon, grab the center of the left Printhead cleaning blade and then pull it out of the printer. Install the new left Printhead cleaning blade into the printer. Close the curing module and then close the top cover. From the IPS, touch Next to move to the next task. Follow these steps to refill the water tank. Open the water tank cap. Slowly fill the tank with distilled water, making sure not to overfill it. There is no fill line on the tank. With the tank filled, replace the water tank cap to close it. From the IPS, touch Next to move to the next task. Follow these steps to replace the aerosol filters. Open the carriage cover. Pull up on the latch on the right side of the aerosol filter module. Open the filter lid. Remove the frame from the aerosol container and then remove the filter from the frame. Use a screwdriver to clean the frame nozzle and then use the maintenance kit brush to clean the frame nozzle. Install the new filter into the frame and then slide the frame into the aerosol container. Close the filter lid and then close the latch. Repeat this process for the other aerosol filter. With both filters replaced, close the carriage cover. From the IPS, touch Next to move to the next task. Follow these steps to empty the Printhead cleaning waste bottle. Open the Printhead cleaning roll door. Remove the waste bottle from the printer and then empty it. Warning: the waste bottle contains a mixture of ink additives and water. Dispose of this mixture according to local regulations. You can find the material safety data sheets for ink at hp.com/go/MSDS. Place the empty waste bottle back in its original location. From the IPS, touch Next to move to the next task. Follow these steps to replace the drop detector spittoon foam. Open the carriage cover. Manually move the carriage to the left. Slide the drop detector spittoon foam out of the printer. Slide the new drop detector foam into its slot, making sure it lays flat. From the IPS, touch Next to move to the next task. Follow these steps to replace the Printhead cleaning roll. With the carriage cover still open, open the Printhead cleaning roll door. From the IPS, touch Next to wind the Printhead cleaning roll material. Pull the upper left black knob and then move the pinch system aside. Remove the end of the roll and use it to thoroughly clean and remove all ink waste from the printer. Use the end of the roll to clean the orange Printhead cleaning blade, the transparent Printhead cleaning blade, the entire surface of the middle diverter, the left diverter and the left latch. Wipe any ink and fibre particles from each piece after cleaning. Use a putty knife to scrape the dried ink from the sloping surfaces. Use a screwdriver to remove waste from the drilling hole. Clean the fluid dispenser nozzle to make sure it's not clogged. Turn the feed roller until you reach the end of the roll. Turn the take-up roller until the material is completely out of the assembly. Slide both rolls off their axles. Follow the instructions provided with the new roll and dispose of the roll with the used cleaning material. Remove the empty core and keep it to use as a take-up core. Slide the take-up core onto the lower axle. Slide the end cap onto the roll until it clicks into place. The empty core must be aligned against the end cap. Slide the new roll onto the upper axle. Slide the end cap on the upper axle and then slide the cap and axle together. You will hear a click when correctly installed. Slide the leading edge of the roll over the upper rollers, but below the central diverter. Thread the leading edge of the cleaning material through the rollers on the left. Do not thread the leading edge behind the roller on the left. This roller must stay between the roll and the material. Thread the leading edge down the left side of the assembly. Install the leading edge tabs into the slots in the take-up core. Turn the take-up core several times to attach the roll to the core. Move the black knob to the original position to restore the pinch system. Close the printhead cleaning roll door and then close the carriage cover. From the IPS, touch close. A progress bar indicates the stages of completion of all replacement tasks. The printhead cleaning roll length tracking is now reset to 100% and you can continue printing.